Welcome to step 3. For step 3, you're going to change a cube that looks like this with a white plus sign on top and 4 matching middles, 1, 2, 3, 4, into a cube that looks like this. All white on top and 4 colored T's. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you do that. First, take your cube and you're going to look at the feet for a white corner. No white corners. Here's a white corner. Look at just that white corner piece and notice what colors it has. It has orange on this side and blue on this side. So I need to make sure that this corner piece is touching the orange and blue faces. Right now, this corner piece is touching the orange and green faces. So I need to move it. Now it's touching the orange face and it's adjacent to the blue face. So I'm ready to make an L formation. Look at the side that is not white. So we don't look here, look here. And we're moving that piece down, across, and back up again. Down, across, up. Now it's in the correct place. Look for another piece on the feet. You can use this one. Check the colors. Green and orange. It's already aligned in the correct spot. Don't look at the white side. Look at the side that's not white. Down, across, up. Look for another white corner piece. Scan the feet, because it's the easiest place. Here's one. This one is blue and red, but it's touching the orange center, so it's not in the right spot. It's next to the orange and blue center, so I need to move it to the blue and red center. So I'll move it over. Matches, matches. Don't look at the white side, look at this side. Down, across, up. And here's another white corner piece. I'm going to move it to the correct colors. This is red and green. Now it's touching green, but not red. I need to keep moving it. There, red and green. And I'll move it down, across, up, down, across, up. Now, I have all white on top and 4 colored T's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes you may have a situation like this, where you have a white corner piece near the top. To get this white corner piece to move to the bottom, do the following. Once again, don't look at the side that's white. Look at the piece, the same piece, but where it's not white. Make the L formation. Down, across, up. And now your piece is on the foot. First, make sure that it's aligned with the correct colors, red and green. Look at the side that's not white and move it down, across, up. Sometimes you may have a corner piece that's on the bottom. In that case, you move the piece underneath where you need it to go. So this is orange and green, so I need to make sure it's touching the orange and green side. Right now it's touching the red and green side, so I need to move it to the orange and green side. Let's see, orange over here, green over there. It's on the correct corner. And I can see that's really where it needs to go. So I'll make my L formation. I can either do down, across, up this way with the backwards L, or down, across, up with a forward L, a regular L. I'll go this way. Down, across, up. The piece is now up here. Again, look at the side that's not white. Down, across, up. The piece is now here. I need to make sure that it's moved to the correct face or the correct corner. Orange and green. So right now it's touching blue. I need to move it over. It's touching orange, adjacent to green. Look at the side that's not white. Down, across, up. Down, across, up. And my cube is complete again. All white on top, 4 colored tees. Give it a try.